Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find attendance tracker in Microsoft Excel. So get let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document from the find attendance tracker. Now select from the all day. It will now going to the conditional formatting option. Now click with the new rules option. Then click for the format style and click for the icon style option. Again for icon style option. Now click for the show icon only. Click for the number and present option number. Middle option 1 and 0.5. Now click for the OK. Now count from the is keyboard press on the count if sorry equal count if and keyboard press from the first bracket and select from the all day from comma 1 and first bracket close. Now click for the control enter. Then arrange this from the then show the automatic count from the 4-day present. That's now select control mark that's okay. Then I show the find attendance tracker in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.